Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make pastry cream or creme pâtissière. All the weights and measures will be in the description down below if you're interested in making this. So the first stage is to split your vanilla pod and scrape out the seeds, putting them into the milk along with the split vanilla pod. You'll want to put your milk and vanilla into a saucepan and put that on a medium to high heat and leave to boil. While you wait for your milk and vanilla to heat up, you'll want to put egg yolks into a separate bowl along with some sugar and then mix those two together until very well combined, and the colour won't be so orange or yellow, it will be a much paler yellow. Don't forget to stir your milk and vanilla mixture occasionally so it doesn't catch on the bottom, as this will ruin your creme pâte and make it taste burnt. Once your milk has boiled, you'll then want to sift it just to remove the vanilla pod and the extra big clumps of vanilla. Then with the milk mixture, you'll just want to put that straight back into your saucepan. To your egg yolk mixture, you will want to add your flour and mix that until it's well combined with no lumps. Into the egg yolk mixture, you'll want to add around 1/3 of your milk mixture and just stir that or whisk it together until it's very smooth and well combined. At this point the mixture may seem really thin, but don't worry, it will thicken up later on. You will then want to add your egg yolk mixture to your milk mixture, which is on the hob on a low to medium heat, and then stir that continuously until the mixture has thickened, and you'll notice it will change from watery to very thick in pretty much no time at all. Once it's got to the perfect consistency, you'll want to put it into a bowl or onto a tray, covering it with cling film and leaving it to cool completely before use. Don't forget, you do need to cover it with cling film, as this will prevent a skin from forming on top. If you do have a skin forming on top, that will just make it nasty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share this with your friends so they know how to make crème pâtissière. Bye!